This update is for Tuesday, the 18th of October, 2022, the time just after 8:30 a.m. Central Time. So as we look at the market, another very green day in the stock market. Today is Tuesday. Will the market be met with a Tuesday reversal mid-morning, later in the day? Don't know. Right now, this market's on a tear to the upside, as a lot of traders are saying, okay, we had a successful test of the June lows. We got into that zone. We didn't collapse from there. Maybe that was it, and the market has taken off to the upside. Okay. You're looking at energy prices. In the past, actually about an hour, they started reversing course and slipping back down. And the same thing's going on in the bonds and notes. They were down earlier, and as the market's opening, they're losing some of the yield. But earlier on, the 2, the 5, the 10, they're all over 4% yields. Grain market under some selling pressure. You hit some stops, actually, from the looks of it in the corn market. You're coming down. Harvest is under full swing. Let's see what that comes in like. Beans are pretty well done in terms of understanding the size of the crop. I think we know a good handle there. Dollar, a little bit lower today. And that lower, is it going to translate into gold getting support or not? You know, yesterday the dollar was down sharply. Gold didn't even pay attention to it. Copper market, I think, is saying it does not like what it's seeing coming out of China. I was looking at Codelco and the prices they're going to give Europe over the LME price. There's a tariff that you pay, and it's double what it was a year ago. So they're saying, yes, we'll be happy to supply you with our copper. However, here's the premium you're going to pay. And the reason for that, obviously, is Europe is trying to wean itself off of anything from Russia, including copper that it used to receive from them. So those are part of the things you have going on there. Now, as we take a look at the market, the Red Book U.S. retail sales come up 8%. Now, it sounds good, but remember, these were double-digit numbers just through the summer. So they're starting to slip in, and that's because if you look at where we're at, and you look a year ago, we were out of the COVID problems at that point. So now you're getting a cleaner match against everything. When you had the COVID problem and you have a year where you're not in COVID problems, you get a pop. Federal Reserve's September industrial production up 0.4. They expected it up 0.1, so that looks pretty good. Capacity utilization also up 0.2 to 80.3 versus an 80. We get the National Association of Home Builders. They're going to come out with their monthly housing index at 9 this morning. The API comes out at 3:30 today. And the Biden administration, again, they're going to release more oil out of our strategic reserve. Now, you don't think that's political, do you? I mean, midterms coming, gas prices up, other markets. So what are they doing? They're going to fight it the best way they know how. They'll sell the resources to keep that down and give themselves something of an edge, they hope, going into the midterm, about 3 weeks away. Keep that in the back of your mind. So as you put this all together, one of the things that I like to talk to traders about is learning. And when you learn, the key is, do you understand the different terms at the end of the day that we talk about here? And what are those terms? Well, we put them together in their Guide to Technical Indicators, 2 volumes of it. And it's got everything in there. So let's assume you want to deal with charts, line, bar, area, chart patterns, all through there. Trend lines, how do you work with them? What do they mean? Moving averages, what types? How do you work with those? The oscillators, like the slow stochastic that I like. Spreads, they contango, forward, what's going on? Elliott wave, Gann theory. All these different terms that to the average person, they're confusing. Now, I put it together as a primer. This makes it very easy for you to understand. Graphs on everything, free. It's a PDF. We give you a link to it. You upload it, print it, study it. I think you're going to get a great education. 1, 2, 3. How do you get it and more? Just go to our website under free offers, top left when you get there, or you can go right above me, give a click here. As you see, move your cursor up there, you'll see an icon. Click on it, you'll be right into that area. Love to send this to you. You have a good trading day. I'll see you at the end of the day with the market wrap-up. Take care.